Welcome to another Must Draw special. Tonight we're gonna draw Thurston. One of the must draws that I've been wanting to get done for I don't know how long, but for quite a while. We will go into the next phase of this will be individual damage assessments, initial damage assessments, where those are done at the local county level in a little more detail to get numbers that will then roll up with us. We already have FEMA that is standing by ready to do what they call joint damage assessments. So they have teams here already ready to go for that. So you're going to see a very, very quick response on the recovery side of the house to do individual damage assessments and what's also referred to as public assistance damage assessments. That's where we check public infrastructure, city, county buildings, things of that nature. So again, all of that stuff will be unfolding most likely as soon as tomorrow so that we can get the recovery process jump-started here in the state of Florida. As always, we could not do that without the leadership of the governor and the objectives that he sets for us. So again, Governor, thank you so much.
Good morning, and thank you, Governor, for your leadership and support of your Florida National Guard. Representative Guthrie, thank you again for the great work your team is doing to protect Florida citizens. As we continue to assess the damage landfall caused across the state of Florida, our thoughts and prayers remain with the impact.
Let's see. Over time, I've planned to draw Thurston, Tengu Original, and a bunch of others for a long time, but I never really had any time to draw any of that stuff. So focused on drawing dinosaurs, and other ones like the oncoming Nanovore playlist.
Our 53rd Infantry Brigade combat team is heavily engaged in Florida's western coastal counties.
Either way it goes, I don't know how much longer I can keep doing this page. I've got shows to do. I've got I've got t-shirts to start making.
Similar missions throughout our central and northeast counties. We maintain additional immediate response forces available to rapidly reinforce our presence and capabilities.
Along with creating prints for the large pieces that I'm getting done. I made a promise for 2023 that I'd finally complete the pieces that I should have drawn a long time ago, and it's finally getting my sanity back. I'm getting good and better at it every night. Every day I've been improving. And every time I draw something, it gets better and better. And I'm sure your ideas can get better and better as well. With some improvement and a small piece of knowledge, you can accomplish anything. I don't know how long it takes. I just train hard, and bam, it's easy to do. And who knows, you might be good enough to draw a manga, or a comic, or anything. Heck, you might even draw a movie. You remember that. It's like drawing something out of a Dragon Ball manga.
Alright, thank you, Governor DeSantis, for your continued leadership. Thank you, Director Guthrie, for your continued partnership as we respond to this event. Several days ago we began preparing. We've had our crews and equipment staged for the last 36 hours. Immediately after landfall and the storm passed through, we began pushing those crews into the impacted area. Over 700 crew members, which includes 100 bridge inspectors, 1,100 generators, and 250 pieces of heavy equipment.
Here's the foot.
Resources into the impacted areas so that we can quickly address the needs, get the cut and toss operations taken care of, and support the life safety mission. In the main area of impact, we have nearly 1,000 bridges that have to be inspected. Really focusing our efforts close to the coastline initially. We have several major roadways that go over the Steenhatchee River, the Swanee River.
And finished. There he is. That is how you draw Thurston. Oh shoot. Forgot to draw the rest of his hair.
segment 51 going to Steve Hatcher is also impossible because of how wide.
And done. There he is. That is how you draw Thurston. Glad I got that off my chest.